Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Dropbox step by step clearly. To register for Dropbox, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the official Dropbox website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using an email address or through an existing Google account. If you prefer using an email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and input it in the password field. You may also see a checkbox for agreeing to Dropbox terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read both documents before checking the box. Once everything is filled out, click on the Create an Account button. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link from Dropbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once the account is activated, return to the Dropbox website. Sign in using the email and password you just created. You will now have access to your new Dropbox account. Take a moment to explore the interface and features available to you. Congratulations, you are now registered with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.